If you're using WordPress, another thing you might want to do is to install a dedicated video sitemap plugin. So if we go to Plugins, Add New, and just do a search for video sitemaps, you'll see there are quite a few available here. Some of them are actually very out of date, however, so you have to sort of check these, make sure they're not too out of date. So this one here, for instance, if you just read it, it says an easy to use XML site generator with support for image and video sitemaps for WordPress. So just go and find one that looks okay. I mean, this particular one has 10,000 active installations, it's compatible and everything. So what you could do is just go and install this one, then activate it. This is called Sitemap Generator, this plugin. It installs itself over here. So if we go and look at Sitemap Generator here, I do have a couple of videos installed on this sample website, and I just click here where it says generate your sitemap. It can take a while, but after a while you'll be able to sort of see the sitemap if you want by clicking on here. As you can see, it's working through the URLs here, and it's generating a video sitemap for you. There you are, done.